Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to get paid to read and review books. You could earn very quickly up to $60 per book this way, and so let's get started right now. Alright guys, I'm back. This is the site I want to show you. This site is called Online Book Club, and to get to this site you need to go to onlinebookclub.org. So what this site is online version of a book club, and what you're doing on here is that people are sharing the books that they're reading and reviewing them. And so you can get free books here if you are a reader. See, it is all free for readers. We are not a bookstore. We do not sell books. So this is really an online community for readers to exchange like what they love about the books and so forth. And sometimes they will give out free books, and sometimes they have really good deals on certain books. So what I wanted to show you is that you can actually make money from reading and reviewing these books. So if you scroll all the way down here, it says free books for reviews. You click here, and here this is what I wanted to show you. First of all, this is not some crazy online get rich quick scheme. Obviously not. You won't get rich and you won't be able to leave your day job. This also isn't one of those things where we promise you billions of dollars if you send us a small fee. This is completely free to you, the reviewer. Okay, so this is how it works. It's actually fairly simple. Okay, what is this? This is many publishers and up-and-coming authors are willing to give you a free copy of their book in exchange for you writing an honest opinion or a review of the book. Indeed, over 1,000 authors have sent us their book for review. This is a collection of books that each normally cost money to purchase, but from which you can choose a free book. In fact, there is a huge demand, a high demand for reviewers to accept these offers, that many of them are now coming with a payment in addition to the free book. In other words, you will get a free copy of a book, and then you will get paid to honestly review that book. You do not have to lie and say you loved it if you didn't. You are being paid for an honest, quick review, not a positive review. Most payouts currently range between $5 to $60 per review. Like we said, you won't get rich, but you can make up to a couple $100s a month. And then there's the savings from getting your books for free instead of paying for them. You will not get paid for your first review. You will get the book for free. If you are the kind of person who doesn't read a book in the last year, this is probably not for you. However, if you're a kind of person who likes to read books and enjoys finding new authors, this is an awesome offer for you. So guys, this is just a way to make some extra cash, obviously. But all you gotta do is very simply go email and write the word free and submit, and then you can start your account with them. So this is a great way for you to earn some extra cash, but very little extra cash, as they say. But why I want to show you this is because if you like reviewing books and like reviewing things, then I suggest you do it on a big scale, like on a mass scale, okay? Because if you like that kind of work, then you really should be being an affiliate marketer, because you can make a lot more money reviewing things, okay? So what happens is that when you actually review things on your own website instead of their website, then you could put other things on your website that makes you money. For example, they're going to pay you up to anywhere from $5 to $60 to write a book review. But if you were to write a book review on your own website, you could earn over and over again from your post that you did, not just a one-time payment from that other site, from the onlinebookclub.org site. So if you have your own website and write a book review, you could earn over and over again from that one written review, okay? Now, can you imagine if you write a lot of reviews and write a lot of posts on your own website? That means you're going to have a bunch of posts working for you 24/7. Yes. So Wealthy Affiliate, this website here, teaches you how to write your reviews, how to write the content on your website a certain way that it attracts its own visitors. So there's going to be people who will read your reviews, okay? If you want to do this way, what happens is that a Wealthy Affiliate is going to teach you how to add affiliate links to your book reviews so that people who are reading your reviews can click on the link to go buy the book, like on Amazon or some other book retailer, and you can make a commission on the sale of that book. So you could make commissions that way, and you could make commissions recommending other things if you like. So you don't only have to do book reviews, you could do a certain topic. Let's say you like to cook, okay? And you like to do baking, for example. You love muffins, okay, let's say. And you do a site on muffins. And you're going to be writing about your favorite muffin recipes, why you like them, and the things that you want to include in your review, that people can buy those ingredients. You could link all those ingredients and people could click on each one and go and buy them, and you could earn commissions from all those places that they are buying from because they came from your website. So this is what Wealthy Affiliate does. It teaches you how to do that, how to build your own affiliate website. So you could earn over and over again. And you could do this for any topic you want. So this is what I've done. And my topic is how to make money online. And workanywherenow.com is actually a site that is built according to their training and is a success story on the platform. I'm a super affiliate with that website, and you can see all the proof on my profile. If you sign up for free, you sign up for free with my affiliate link. You need to use my affiliate link to get my picture on here, guys, okay? So do not go to wealthyaffiliate.com. You won't see my picture, and then you won't get my bonuses. All right, you want my picture on there so you could get my bonuses, and I'm going to help you as a super affiliate. So I have a lot of experience about building these affiliate websites, and I can help you guys. So what you need is my affiliate link, which is workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. My nickname on there is Littlemama, so you could sign up for a free account, go on the Wealthy Affiliate platform, go on their search bar, and type in Littlemama. And you'll find my profile, and you can look at my profile and see how much money I've earned from workanywherenow.com and see how much I've earned from that training and how you can probably do the same. Disclaimer here, my results are not typical, so I'm not saying that you're going to earn the same thing as me, but you can see the potential of it, okay? All right, guys. So again, to get to this site, you need to go to workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, and I hope to see you on the platform, guys, okay? I hope you like this video because this is a great way for you to earn some passive online income, guys. And this is the way I make a full-time online income, and you can do it too from learning from their training, guys. They show you exactly how to do it step by step. All right, guys? So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. Give me a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. As I come up with videos every single week, guys, but I don't know when they're going to come out, so you need the bell. All right, guys? All right, I hope to see you on the Wealthy Affiliate platform soon so I can help you personally, and I hope I see you on the next video. Okay, guys? Bye.